what I can get loaded here. Keep the motorcycle in. Okay. I'll start hooking up the GoPro, getting ready to go, and checking my helmet out. While my assistant old fart, the drone's loaded. I guess he can do something today, try to help me, so we can go for a short ride and find us a place to film. Alright, hurry up, I'm ready to go. Back to be a Christmas guy. Alright, Doofus, I think you're ready to go. Okay, man, all right, it's a pretty pleasant Saturday morning, 74 degrees, just looking for nice motorcycle ride and a place to go fly my drone. I haven't flown in some time now. And one of the problems you get after flying around your hometown for many years, 5 or 6 years anyway for me, is that you've flown every place around there is to fly. So it gets kind of boring, especially after you've already published most of the YouTube videos showing all your local spots. So, the challenge this morning is to find a place that I can fly that's not going to be quite so boring. And I think I'm going to head out to Langley Pond, which is a local, they call it a pond. It's over 285 acres. It's, if you classify it as a pond, I think they claim it's the largest pond in the world. It was the site of the 1996 U.S. rowing team for the 1996 Olympics. I think they trained there for 3 or 4 years at least before the Olympics. It's been a major recreation area for Aiken County for a long time. I don't know what I said, but it was built in 1854. I think in 1950, 1952 they did some renovations. Then in 2014 they discovered some leaks. A walker across the dam saw some water coming out underneath the dam that was a different color, and upon investigation they discovered that the dam was leaking. So they closed it down, and for the last 4 years they've been, first couple of years they were trying to raise money to fix the dam, and I think the county floated some bonds just to make sure they had the money. About $12 million in bonds. They came up with another $2 million. The federal government actually came up with $10 million on a grant. And then they awarded the bid to a construction company about a year ago for a little less than $14 million to fix the dam. So since then, they have drained the dam down to practically nothing. So when we get out there today, we should be able to fly around and see some pretty low dam. That was quite a remark, but some low water, if any water at all. They do have an 18-hole frisbee golf tournament course, and I think they closed down the last 8 holes of it for this construction, but the first 8 holes is still open. They have 2 hiking trails totaling almost 6 miles. They closed down the second hiking trail that connects with the first one. That's about 3 miles, I guess, but they kept open the first hiking trail. It's a little less than 3 miles. So hopefully it's open enough for us to get access to do some filming today. And we will see. I have filmed the dam before, a couple years ago. That was before they started draining it out. And then I'm sure on my drone videos channel there is a video somewhere of Langley Pond. But anyway, this morning I'm riding my motorcycle, which is a BMW GTL 6-cylinder. One of the few things you can do short of flying that gives you a sense of freedom and adventure. And it's been a while since I've ridden my motorcycle. Been a while since I've flown my drone. My drones, I guess you could say. My wife and I went on a almost 3-month adventure to Alaska in our motorhome. Got back the third week in August, I guess it was. We didn't quite finish our trip. We're going to plan on going back next year, but I did take 2 drones with me, and an Aspire 2 and the Mavic Pro. But surprisingly, I was so busy driving during the day and exploring in the Jeep, I really didn't do but 3 or 4 drone videos. The next time we go to Alaska, I am going to do a lot more filming with my drone. I missed out on a lot of opportunities to get some nice drone videos on my trip to Alaska. So, I think we got a couple more miles till we get to Langley Pond. I'm cruising along, speed limit is 55, and I'm cruising along with the traffic doing 59 according to my GPS. I don't know whether you can see it there or not. We will be approaching the turnoff. This is actually the Jefferson Davis Highway, named after the Confederate president. They haven't changed the name yet, even though in this atmosphere of political correctness that's probably coming. It's been a long, this is not it, Greenville Street. I don't get lost here. But this highway actually goes all the way up through Virginia, and I think along some of the stretches they have renamed Jefferson Davis Highway to some more politically correct name. Am I getting lost here? I know we turn left up here. For an old fart. Pretty easy for me to miss the turn. And let's see what this has in store for us. I see a lot of construction already going on up here. Hopefully I can get in. It says road closed. They do have a lot of water out there. Uh-oh, better wait. Let me see if I can get in here. Maybe there's a side road. We will see. Rehabilitation. Langley Pond Dam. Well, the loop trail and disc golf course, it says it's still open, so maybe I can get over here and do a little. Man, I'll try to get my drone over there and get some views. They got the damn thing, I say damn thing, filled up with water. They have done a lot of construction here. See if I can find us a way in. Gravel road. Man, look at this. They are tearing up Langley Pond. It was just the dam they were supposed to fix, but it looks like they're doing a whole lot. Alright. Well, maybe I can launch my drone from here. They're not going to let me go in. I think it's better if I turn around and park on the upslope. Man, look at this. Alright. We will see if we can get this drone to work. Get some better pictures out here. Okay. nice day to ride today. Hey, thanks.